Talesong 27. Anthills of the Savannah. The city's hot, politics boiling high, streets full of rumors, leaders lie. I watch the rulers, plotting their schemes. Hope fights back through whispers and dreams. Friends disappear, danger in the air, we speak in code, eyes everywhere. The press tells lies, power grips tight, truth becomes a weapon, hard to fight. Change is slow, yet hearts are bold, stories of courage quietly told. We stand together, yet fear runs deep. Some nights we cry, some nights we sleep. The Savannah waits, land wide and strong. We push for justice, even if it's wrong. Voices rise, though the wind may shake. We fight for tomorrow, for freedom's sake. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.